Sylvia, you've written a book entitled Defense Medical Exams, a guide for attorneys in the use of nurses. What exactly is a defense medical exam?
A defense medical exam is an integral part of a lawsuit that is usually filed in personal injury claims. And these exams are also called by the defense independent medical exams. By no means are these exams independent. Usually, these exams are conducted by doctors that are hired by the defense side or the insurance company to find out what the extent of the injuries are, what recommendations they need for treatment, and any pain and suffering. And usually, all this is done by getting a doctor, usually that is on the list that the insurance company has, to conduct these kind of exams. That's why I say these exams are not independent, because these doctors are actually being paid and they're on the list from the insurance companies.
Why is it so important for a legal nurse consultant to be in the exam and observe?
It's very, very important for the nurse to be in the exam because the nurse sets the tone on how the exam runs and sets up the structure on how the exam takes place. Basically, the nurse is a patient advocate during that exam. And the reason why this comes up to plan is usually a day or two before the exam, the nurse usually prepares the client. And the way she prepares the client is generally just giving the patient an idea of what happens in the exam, what kind of personality the doctor has, and how to handle any situations that might come up. So it's extremely important for a nurse to be in this exam. Otherwise, the doctor would conduct the exam asking any questions that he wanted, however he wanted, for as long as he wanted, and nobody would be stopping him, even though the regulations state otherwise.